Still got the low pitch chime. Let's go to 1. This is the elevator at the Dublin Recreation Center in Dublin, Ohio. It's a Schindler HT321A with low pitch chime, 2,500 pound capacity. Air 1. Let's go back up to 2. Here we go. Here 2. Or 1. Door closest works. This thing is still running fantastic. Here's the certificate. I'm gonna end it at 2. So a lot of people over there, like literally right next to the elevator. Let's close the door. Here we go. Here 2. Let's ring the bell. Go off any second. It's probably gonna go into nuts mode. So go off any second now. There we go. Yep, there it go. There it is. And that'll be it.